Just a quick video. You guys aren't listening. Purpose of the video is, please, pretty please, with sugar on stop sanding your fucking tile. Here's another person, and I know he kind of panicked, and because his wife actually slipped on some shiny sealer out here on the stairs and hurt herself, so he panicked and got his sander out. But what happens is, if you look here, you can see what the sanding does. It doesn't sand evenly. Look at that, and to see what it does to these tiles, people. These tiles are like French bread, okay? They're soft clay in the middle, which is this red stuff you see, and then they're hard, the baked on surface, which is all the yellow stuff on top. Well, now you sand it through the yellow, you're into the soft clay. So now, for one, you can see it makes it look like shit, and two, now you're inside the tear. My point is the crusty surface has been compromised. At this point, the tiles are going to probably just slowly but surely, as people walk on them, start to like really get, not bad, but they'll start to, you know, wear a lot faster. So purpose of the video, stop sanding your shit. Just stop sanding your stuff. We're out here in Albany, California, doing this smaller little project here, but the purpose of the video, like I said, is you guys got to stop sanding your stuff. You got to pay attention more. You know, I mean, the guy, I don't know how much, I didn't ask him how much he spent when he remodeled these like 5 or 6 years ago, but he obviously spent a nice, you know, 10, 15 grand or so with the iron gates and stuff, all the extra little stuff he did here. So anyhow, purpose of the video, stop sanding your stuff, stop putting tape on it. All that stuff damages the surface. So like and subscribe, share, stay informed, and just, you know, pay attention. Shit, do some recon. We'll talk about to make it less slippery. All right, here we go. This is the second half of this video, obviously. Now that we're actually done with the project, you can see it turned out amazing. It looks ridiculous. The customer's loving it. We made it less slippery. We did the coating removal to make it less slippery. Switched it over to a more outside friendly sealer. You can see it looks amazing. These are Rustico tiles. They have great tiles. Call them, take advantage of them. They're out of Texas. These tiles right here, Talavera's tiles. They got these tiles at a place in Berkeley, California called Talavera's Tile. It's a store. You can see they got beautiful stuff there. They got tons of stuff, shapes, sizes. Same with Rustico. They got hexagons, octagons, all the different shapes of this. So you should like us, you should subscribe, you should share. Most important of all is you got to stick to your maintenance outside with these tiles. I almost tell my customers that I'd rather you do this more often than the stuff on the inside, just because they get a different type of damage, a different, you know, like the inside stuff doesn't get the water, the sun that these get. And I'll tell you guys right now, with terracotta and clay, water is the enemy. Water is always going to damage them more often than not, so you got to keep your water situations under control. But that's also why sealing is important. So like us, subscribe, share, stay informed, people, do your recon. Solid. On the beach.